In this interactive lesson, we will look at some basic steps required to build our own butterfly garden. Step 1. Select a suitable site for our butterfly garden. Choose a site that has some sunlight during the day. At the same time, it should be sheltered from strong winds. Make sure to have some trees and shrubs in the garden where the butterflies can sit comfortably at night and are able to enjoy a soothing cool breeze during the hot summer days. Step 2. Remember the rocks. Arrange 1 to 2 large flat rocks for the butterfly garden, so the butterflies can have a place to bask when the mornings are cool. Step 3. Provide water. Try to provide them a puddle of water by filling a container. A container filled with water helps them to sit and drink the water safely. Step 4. Add different type of flowering plants, preferably in groups, like aster, black-eyed Susan, butterfly bush, butterfly weed, ironweed, purple coneflower, sedum, and zinnia. Include some food plants for the larvae, like dill, fennel, milkweed, and parsley. Different butterfly larvae feed on different plants, so research the butterflies native to the region to determine what to plant.
If you liked this educational interactive video, check out our complete range of educational digital course books. Visit our website at sfpublishers.net to discover more. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon and select the option of all notifications. In this way you won't miss out any fresh upload of ours.